Hello everyone, today we are making pork chop suey, a simple and delicious stir fry with tender pork and lots of fresh vegetables. Chop suey is really flexible, you can make it with whatever ingredients you have on hand. Let me show you how I make it. Here I have about 300 grams of pork shoulder and it's partially frozen. If you look closely, you notice the meat has lines running through it. Those are called the grain. And we're going to slice across the grain so the pork stays tender. Then marinate the pork with a little bit of salt, soy sauce, dark soy sauce, cooking wine, sugar, white pepper, and cornstarch. Mix it well. Then add a little bit of oil and mix again. Set it aside while we prepare the vegetables. Now let's prepare the broccoli. Cut it into bite-sized florets. Just separate each piece like this, but don't chop them too small. Then slice a medium carrot into pieces. Then cut the celery into diagonal slices. For the snow peas, pinch off the end of the snow peas and pull the string off. If they are very tender, you can leave them as is. Then slice a quarter of an onion into strips and separate them. Finally, cut 3 cloves of garlic into slices. With all the vegetables prepared, let's make the sauce. Combine 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, half a teaspoon sugar, and a little bit chicken bouillon powder. And in another bowl, mix 2 tablespoons water with 1 teaspoon cornstarch to make a slurry. Mix it well. Finally, time to cook. Heat the pan over medium-high heat and add some oil. Once the oil is hot, add the garlic and sauté till fragrant. Then add the pork and spread it out in a single layer. Let it cook without stirring for about 20 to 30 seconds to get a good sear. Once the bottom looks cooked, start stirring and tossing the pork so it cooks evenly. When it's about 70% done, add a splash of Shaoxing wine. Give it a quick stir to cook off the wine. Now let's stir fry the vegetables. Add a little bit of oil to the pan. Once it's hot, stir fry the broccoli and the carrots first because they take a little bit longer to cook. Then cook them for about a minute or so, season with a little salt and sugar. Add the snow peas and keep stir-frying briefly for another 30 seconds. In the pan, add a touch more oil, then add the onion and celery once it's hot. Give them a quick stir and season with a little bit of salt and sugar. Now add the pork back into the pan along with the vegetables and the sauce. Stir everything together over high heat so it mixes well. Then add the cornstarch slurry and give the few quick stirs till the sauce thickens. And that's it, pork chop suey is ready. I love this dish because it's quick, flexible, and perfect for busy weeknights. You can use whatever vegetables you already have at home, and it always comes out delicious. If you enjoy this recipe, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy recipes, and I'll see you in the next one.